So we're here at 33 Glenwood Court doing a repairability test for Calvin Briscoe. He has a 3-tab shingle roof. We're going to attempt to replace this shingle, which is 1, 2, 3. These above ones are already unadhered, but we'll just be removing the nails, trying not to create any damage on the good shingles above them. So we're gonna have to pry these up.
You gotta get up on this one.
Dang, this is very, very brittle. That nail is in there. It's coming, slowly but surely. There we go.
That's all on the bottom.
Yeah, but these might be, because if I tug on it.
No, you're gonna have to get these ones up on the right row, and then
Sometimes they don't go all the way through to the bottom one.
it's that brand new pry bar.
These nails are deep, bro. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Here, let me see real quick. Pull that real fast. Continue. That one was probably
This is part of the way that we're trying to replace.
wind damage. They got some.
should be all of them. There you go. Finally got the old one. As you can see, it's been very deteriorated.
So that's the old shingle removed right there.
This will be the new one.
And so what do we have to do with this one?
We're gonna slide it back in. Try not to create any more damage, or any damage really, to the above shingles. Lifting them up, trying to get these nails back in place.
Yeah. So he's gonna have to lift these shingles up at about a 90-degree angle in order to first put the shingle in place and then put each nail back in the spot that it was in order to replace the shingle where the old one was removed.
Oh, I see. There were nails not even holding that shingle in place. That was preventing this one to go all the way up. Yeah, there's another one. That should be it. Alright, so we got that shingle lined up.
As you can see.
Now we're gonna attempt to nail it back in place.
All right.
It's a hot morning.
Yes, sir, it is. Yes, man, we're just doing one. Oh, we do. I have one in the truck. Let me just climb down real quick and grab it for you. Do you live in the neighborhood?
Yeah.
Okay.
I live right here. No, 37.
Okay, 37.
Yeah.
Um.
You just put it on the door, probably.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's well, get your phone number.
Yeah.
What's
do
your
you-
phone number?
Area code 562.
562.
381. 3265.
What kind of damage is it that you were worrying about?
Some shingles missing.
Shingles missing?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your name, ma'am?
Marissa.
Marissa. I'm Pablo. This is my co-worker Smith.
Okay. Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too. Put these nails back in. So you can still see a bit of damage caused by the repairs. Try not to put them past 90 degrees. Makes it very difficult to not cause any future damage to the existing shingles above it, considering it is very brittle. The granules are not staying up here like they should. It's definitely time to get a new roof on this house. This is another example of one that's been flapping. All these have been very, very damaged.